Shoo people. Shoo people. Shoo people.
It's morning in Shoetown, and it looks as though a storm is on the way. The Shoe people hate rainy weather. Well, all except one of them. In weather like this, Wellington has the happiest face in Shoetown.
Rain, rain, hooray, hooray, today's the day I go out to play.
Somebody shut that welly up! I'm trying to have a snooze!
My name is Wellington, if you don't mind. Sarge.
Sarge? How dare you call me that? I wish you were in my regiment. I'd have you peeling potatoes for a remark like that.
Oh, no, you wouldn't.
I most certainly would.
Wouldn't.
Would?
Now look, Sergeant Major, he isn't in your regiment. So let's not argue about such silly things.
Excuse me, boys, but I really must go to dance rehearsals. Would anyone care to come with me?
What a splashingly good idea! I can jump in all the puddles.
Well, it looks like the rain has stopped, so we'll all come along. The Shoe people set off for the ballet school. Wellington splashes in and out of every puddle he can find, while the others do their best to keep well out of his way.
If I wanted to be this wet, I would have joined the Navy.
Oh, don't go on, Sergeant Major. Let the lad enjoy himself. The Shoe people finally reach the ballet school and find to their horror a large, muddy puddle completely blocking the entrance.
Oh dear, I can't possibly walk through that. My lovely pink satin would be ruined.
Don't worry, Margot. We'll think of some way to help you. All right, everybody. Think.
Hello, everybody. What's the problem?
We're trying to think of some way of getting Margot across this puddle.
Well, that's simple. If she stands on Wellington's toe cap, he can carry her through it.
And what if the water's so deep that it covers Wellington's toe cap?
Oh, hadn't thought of that.
Stupid clown.
Well, can you think of anything better?
Of course. This simply calls for army training and army thinking. Charlie, Wellington, fall in. Stupid clown, fall in does not mean fall into the puddle. It means prepare yourself for the first manoeuvre. Get out and dry out.
Yes, Sergeant Major.
Right, Wellington, into that puddle with you. Out to the middle, go on, and stand perfectly still. Charlie, make a bridge out to Wellington with your toe. Come along, get on with it, don't take all day.
Yes, sir, Sergeant Major.
Now, Margot, you spin out to Wellington along Charlie's toe. Is that clear?
Yes, Sergeant Major.
OK, Margot. Wait there for further instructions. Charlie, move your idle body self and jump across that little lake.
Yes, Sergeant Major.
And now, another one of those bridges, if you please.
Charlie obeys the order, and Margot spins prettily along his toe to safety. Thank you, Charlie. And I'm very grateful to you too, Sergeant Major.
You're too kind, Margot. Too kind.
How marvellous to have such army training.
Once a soldier, always a soldier.
And once a clown, always a clown.
Shoo people. Shoo